Join me in my makeup today with a very interesting story, and I will need your advice after the story because the person really needs advice. So let's get started. Okay, yeah, the story is just like this. I met one of my old friends while I was in the market this afternoon. She's an old friend, my secondary school mates. So when I saw her, I was happy, but not really because of the past incidents that happened between I and her. So when I came across her, we greeted like normal friends now. So when we greeted, she just asked me, "Where is your address? You are married, right?" I said, "Yes." So, "Okay, give me your address. Let me come and visit." That is when the thought what came into my mind that okay, me and this girl, we don't have issue before. The quarrel wey we had last is all about this boyfriend thing. Okay, when we were in the hostel then now secondary school things, that extra cool period wey na everybody dey wait for 12 midnight to place call through their to reach their lovers. Okay, now I leave my phone for bed. I don sleep. The girl don dey tail my call since. So she just pick one of my call that entered, which happened to be my best friend that we used to gist about. So she picked up the call and they had conversation. I never knew that they had any conversation, but later on I get to know that they discussed on that day. On getting to know, so I get to know that after that conversation, I don't know what they discussed. I don't know how they arrange to see themselves. So eventually the girl just collect my guy now and the girl go with my guy. Anyways, the thing does not bother me too much. So I just leave them, then they should enjoy. But I just try to watch my relationship with her. Now I met her in the market and she's asking for my address. She first asked me, "Are you married?" Said yes. "Okay, give me your address. Let me come and greet you in your matrimonial home." That is when the thought came through my mind and say, "Hey, girl, if she just come like that, say my husband, she no go snatch this one from me again." I don't know what to do. Advise me. Should I send my address to her on WhatsApp or not? Drop your comment below.